Good afternoon. My name is Frances Hisse. I am an online business coach for coaches, network marketers, and people who wants to start their network marketing business, and all they need is a mentor and a coach. So today I want to show you how to use the Vaginne Intimate Gel, and I have it here on my hand. So the first thing to do is to pull off this head, okay, and pull off this cover right here. Okay, then put this cover in here to push in the gel directly inside the vagina. So as it's pushing in, the gel goes right inside. Lie upwards for like 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you can go have fun. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with your friends if you found value. Bye bye.